All right, here's question number 2. And we have 6 to the negative first power. 6 is the base, negative 1 is the exponent. Every time you see a base with a negative exponent, you're going to have to apply this law of exponent, the negative exponent rule. And basically what this is saying in simple words, that every time you have a base other than 0, okay, any number other than 0, and the exponent is negative, what you're going to do to get the final answer, you're going to take the base and you're going to do the reciprocal. Reciprocal means flip. And then the exponent, give it back to the base, but positive. And I'm going to do an example here with 3 to the negative second power. Okay? 3 is my base, negative 2 is my exponent. So look what I'm going to do. I'm going to imagine that I have under the 3 an imaginary 1. So it looks like 3 over 1. Reciprocal means that I'm going to flip 3 over 1. I'm going to flip it like 1 over 3. And then the exponent negative 2 that belongs to the base 3, I'm going to write it, I'm going to give it back to the 3, but positive. Okay? And that's what the law of exponents with negative exponents does. So to do this problem here, 6 to the negative first power, okay, what I'm going to do, let me write the problem, 6 to the negative first power. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to imagine there's an imaginary 1 under the 6. I'm going to flip it, because that's what you do with negative exponent. You're going to flip it, 1 over 6, okay? And you're going to give back the exponent to the 6, but positive. Okay? But from another exponent rule, every time you have an exponent 1, the final answer is the base itself. So 6 to the first power is 6. So my final answer is going to be 1 over 6. So you're going to click on the fraction template and type 1 over 6. And then you check your answer. And that's all what you have to do. Okay? That's how you work it out. I hope this helps.